Doors are closing. Next station, Ang Kyo. This train service will end at Ang Kyo. This train will end its service at Ang Kyo. All passengers, please arrive and wait for the next train. This update will
Okay, don't lean on the don't lean on the door.
For your safety, please watch your step and hold on to the handrail when using the escalator or staircase. For elderly passengers, passengers with young children or bulky items, or those feeling unwell, please use the lift. 为了您的安全，使用电动扶梯或楼梯时，请小心翼翼，并紧握扶手。年长人士或是携带年幼小孩或大件物品，以及身体不适的乘客，请使用电梯。Untuk keselamatan Anda, sila berhati-hati ketika melangkah dan pegang badan susun tangan semasa menggunakan atas tangga anak kecil atau yang membawa badan besar atau Anda merasa kurang sihat, sila berhenti. உங்களது பாதுகாப்பை கருத்தில் கொண்டு நகரும் பணிகள் அல்லது மாடிப்படிகளை பயன்படுத்தும் போது
All the best. See you tomorrow. See you tomorrow. I think so easy after. No, signal still wait, not departing yet.
Departing depot.
You must stand by, must stand by. Can? It's okay.
He didn't even survive until the underground.
Meant to go underground, only stay overground.
He wants sunlight. On the side effect, the loud sound just now from Jurong until the signal.
Signal turn white.
Yeah.
But it's denying to turn. Must wait for the front train to go Bishan first. It's okay, I got unlimited.
A pause option. The pause option exists anyway, so.
Tired lah. Signaling please depart.
To be soldier.
Oh, wake up please. Why you sleeping? You're really sleeping.
They need to wait for.
You need the front train to.
They need to wait for clearance.
You need to wait for front train to go Bishan.
151. 151. Yeah. 77, 619, now 151. Yes. Yes.
DC jump scare. And 2 jump scare. Should be after this train then go back.
Five, 7, 7, 7.
Very fun. So fun.
I think it might turn white late.
So is that 946, 946.
945. A, B, A, 1,
Turn white already.
See you. All the best. See you. All the best. Yes. Done. Okay, bye-bye. Okay. Done now. Go home. Go home.